what you are studying is because there's some achievement or mission you have for life, not for results. I have met students who are 98% on paper, and when you meet them, they don't even have the confidence to do a proper hello with you. I think a society that has children committing suicide has gone wrong. I prepared for an exam for 1 year and now the syllabus has changed. I'm feeling so demotivated and negative about my selection. My dear sweetheart, till the time we look at exams as the percentage that we are going to get our education system wrong. It's the day we realize that this extra knowledge that now you have, that a lot of other people will not have because of the change of syllabus, puts you in a bracket of life in a better place. So you may not be in a better place in terms of this particular exam, but you will definitely be in a better place in life. And you know what? I think we have to really start to look at life as the real part or the real deal, and exam as the enabler of life, not life itself. So we have to change our entire relationship with exam. I remember when I was in 12th grade and we had our pre-boards, and I think it was my economics exam and my Hindi exam. I think these were the two exams that I was a bit nervous about. I was in ICSE, and economics and Hindi were the hard subjects for me personally. And I remember deciding before my pre-boards that whatever I study, I will study properly instead of trying to get good marks in my pre-boards. So I only attempted 50% of the paper in Hindi, and I think I got a 45 or a 43. I'm not yet, this is many years ago. And I remember my Hindi teacher calling me and saying, "Puja, you're so good at Hindi, how come you've landed up getting 43 on 100? And I said, I haven't got 43 on 100, I've got 43 on 100 for you. I have gotten 43 on 50 for myself, because if you notice, sir, I've only attempted 50% of the paper. And I did the same thing in eco, and again I got superb marks on 50 and horrible marks on 100. And both my teachers were so upset with me that how could you just do that? But you know what happened? Because of this preparation, when I actually attempted my final boards, I was so fully prepared for half the paper, and I only had to study for half the paper. Why am I sharing this with you? Only because I want you to know that too many of us, what our teachers think of us, what other people think of us, what our exam results are going to look like, we think it matters. Ask anyone in this room who's beyond 30 years of age, and they will tell you they don't even remember what they got in 11th, what they got in college, what was their score, what were their freaking subjects. Some of us don't remember. I am the perfect example for you because I didn't even go to college. Okay, so from here on, I want you to create a new relationship with your exams where all of what you are studying is because there's some achievement or mission you have for life, not for results. Okay, these results are great. 12th results are great because you have to get into college. College results are great because you have to get a job, correct? That's what it matters for. Now you be smarter than the results. Can I tell you, I have met students, and I teach in colleges, right? I have met students who are 98% on paper, and when you meet them, they don't even have the confidence to do a proper hello with you. Please, I want each one of us now to start to realize that, you know what, your personality is going to take you wherever it's going to take you, not your marks. Maybe for the first 2 years after college, it might get you entry somewhere or the other, after which nobody can help you but you yourself. So let's really start to change this perspective around syllabus changed, or the exam didn't go too well, or depression. How many children in tuition courses and classes are these days committing suicide across India? And it is so sad to see what we've done to our own children. I think a society that has children committing suicide has gone wrong. Like, we don't even know what, if at 16, 17, 18 children are not able to cope with life, then you can forget it that they're going to be able to cope at 25, 26, 27. True or not? So I think we have to shift this entire conversation, my darling. And I really hope you become one of those inspirations to others where even though the whole syllabus changed, you were smiling. Yeah? Can we do that? See if you can try to create a new. I understand there's a lot of peer pressure, there's a lot of pressure from home, there's a lot of pressure from the world. But you know what? Don't take the pressure. I'm telling you, the teachers were so disappointed, and yet in my boards I did so well. I didn't care what they think of me for 2 months. I know for the rest of my life they will think great about me. True or not? Let's do something like that. Let's do something radical about our education system. All right.